Hey guys, Jenny Strebe here, and today I'm having a little bit of a challenge because I can't figure out what to call this. So if you guys could let me know what you think I should call it, comment below. What I'm gonna call it for now is a braided chignon, which I feel like I've said that a million times. So help me with the creative process, guys. So this is gonna be a little trick slash hack. We're gonna be doing something really easy with utilizing a hair elastic and a couple bobby pins and a few products. Let's do this. All right, to start this look off, we are going to just create a low pony. We're gonna take a hair elastic that's around my wrist. We are going to band it a couple times, but create a loop. We want to keep this hair out because that's gonna be the pieces that are gonna be our braid. Okay, one more. All right, so now we're gonna expand that hair, and this is gonna go vertical here, and then this is gonna be the hair that's our braid that's gonna go over. So basically, we're gonna expand this, kind of fan it out, taking our bobby pins and just securing the top and the bottom into place. Her hair is really thick, so we're gonna add another bobby pin in there just in case. Okay, so now we have all this leftover hair. So I'm gonna divide it in two sections. If you guys have finer hair, feel free to divide it in one section, or feel free to be creative with it. But since she has so much hair, we're gonna do two. Just gonna create a simple 3-strand braid. You can get creative and do a fishtail braid, whatever you guys like. I'm gonna get some styling paste out, my air. You guys, I love this stuff for my braids and updos. It's gonna really, see how there's those little pokey pieces? It's gonna really allow that to lay down, and it just kind of gives it a little bit of density to it. All right, we're getting to the ends. Secure it with a hair elastic, and then we'll create a braid down here. So now we're gonna take those two braids and we're just gonna drape it across, securing it into place utilizing a bobby pin. So we're gonna fold the braid ends in and then secure it with a bobby pin. So now we're gonna take the bottom braid, just tuck it, going underneath with our bobby pin. And you guys can feel free to really stretch these braids out. I was a little hesitant to do so just because she has so many layers, and I don't want those layers to kind of poke out, but feel free to do that. Now we're just gonna kind of, expand some of these sections, detail it out. Feel free to get creative. So yeah, just kind of an easy little braided bun technique. I saw this on Pinterest actually, and I wanted to give it a shot. So again, help me name it. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys have any questions, and make sure to follow me on all of my social channels. All the links are below, and I'll see you guys soon.